For decades, insurance agent training has relied on outdated methods, PowerPoint decks, shadowing, and sink horse when client calls. This model fails both new high-rise and companies, producing agents who know what to sell but not how. Now, AI-powered simulation is transforming this reality, replacing passive learning with active, experiential skill building. It's not an upgrade, it's a complete reset of how expertise is developed in the insurance industry. Traditional L&D tools like quizzes and videos don't prepare agents for real human interactions. The emotional client, the compliance trap, the sudden objection. Experiential learning bridges that gap. An AI simulation makes it scalable and effective. Research shows simulation-based training delivers authentic, cost-effective experiences that deepen problem-solving and inquiry. In insurance, this means practicing high-stakes conversations without risking client trust or revenue. A simulation turns abstract coaching into live practice. Imagine a senior agent training a rookie through a simulated scenario where the junior agent violates HIPAA by skipping a medical exam requirement. The AI bot plays the role, and the coach must respond with clarity and empathy. The system analyzes tone and content, offering instant feedback, ensuring leadership skills are built through repetition, not theory. High-stakes moments define insurance sales, price objections, skepticism, fear of being scammed. AI simulation recreates these scenarios with lifelike precision. A small business owner questions key person insurance. The agent must shift from jargon to real-world value. If they fail, the AI intervenes instantly. The prospect cares about their team, not term length. This builds muscle memory, so real responses feel automatic. Feedback in traditional training is delayed or vague. AI simulation changes that by delivering immediate, specific, and actionable insights. Missing a discount opportunity? The AI timestamps the moment and says, you could have saved $150 per month. Ask about driving. School, nail compliance. It highlights your tone. You made it feel protective, not bureaucratic. This level of context-driven feedback accelerates mastery. Mastery comes from repetition, and AI allows safe failure until success. An agent practicing a claim call after a house fire might initially overlook emotional cues. The AI prompts, pause and validate their grief. They retry, refine, and repeat until empathy becomes instinct. For complex multi-party calls, agents practice until coordination feels natural. One mistake in real life can cost thousands. In simulation, every error is a lesson. The future of insurance L&D isn't coming, it's here. Harvard Business Review confirms AI creates dynamic simulations that respond to user decisions in real time. At Cyber Wisdom, we've seen firsthand how this shifts L&D from a cost center to a growth engine. Better trained agents mean lower turnover, higher confidence, and more closed deals. And the evolution continues. Personalized simulations using real call data, AI bots mimicking top client personas, all tailored to individual development needs. If you want to dig deeper into the details, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be happy to share more tailored insights with you.